So one of the first things we'll want to do is create a new file. To do this, we'll use the command Option N. So we'll notice that this will bring up a new tab using the plain text formatting. So if I start typing here in JavaScript, for instance, so if I say a console.log hello world, we'll see that I don't get any formatting or syntax highlighting. This is because Atom will automatically default to using a plain text grammar when interpreting your new panes. You can always determine this by looking in the lower right-hand corner where you'll see the language that is being used for processing. By default, Atom doesn't know what language you're using, so it will default to plain text. Clicking this or hitting the command keys Control-Shift-L will open up the available language grammars that are available to Atom. This includes all of the available syntax highlighting and grammar rules that ships with Atom Core. To change the default language, you can simply type or select one of the items from the dropdown. In this case, we'd like to use JavaScript. Now that I've selected JavaScript, you can see the syntax highlighting in the bottom right-hand corner, as well as the syntax highlighting for the JavaScript language. Now, typically, Atom will automatically detect the grammar based on the file extension. So if I open another new command and I save this particular file, and I call this index.js, I'll notice that it automatically detected that it's using the JavaScript grammar. And if I start typing in this console.log hello world, I'll automatically get the syntax highlighting for this. You can explore all of the available language options by simply going to Preferences and then Packages and searching for the word language. This includes all of the core grammar support that ships with Atom, as well as all of the additional configuration options that are available for each language. So for instance, in the JavaScript language, by clicking on this particular package, I can see all of the available options here, as well as some of the additional grammar options, as well as the snippets that are supported within this language. We'll learn a little bit more in a future video about how to leverage these particular grammars for these languages. For now, that covers the basics of getting started and creating a new file.